Okay. So today we'll go through how to approach new customers in line with Atomy's philosophy and best practices. So our aim for tonight is to build trust, deliver value, and grow long-term relationships, not just quick sales. So we have to understand that building a strong market relies on to building a relationship between us and our customers. It's not just about quick sales. I will be very honest with you at the beginning. I really locked on this because I was just thinking about sales, PV, PV, just sales. And after, I don't know what to do afterwards, right? So like a lot of clients were lost because I didn't know how to do it at first, the Atomy way. So before we approach someone new, we need to internalize why we're doing it. It is not just to sell, but to help someone improve their life by offering quality products and trustworthy opportunity. Approach with mindset of service. So before we even approach someone, we already have to think about how can I help this person? Which product I could offer so that this person will be helped. It might be a health supplement. It might be a beauty product. It might be something that could grow the hair of our friend or our customer. We have to understand that customer success is the epitome of our business, right? On top of the absolute quality and absolute price. And we also have to understand the philosophy of cow versus baby. We do not use people. We grow with people. Just like, with a cow, after milking the cow, we put the cow outside the field and let him eat grass again so that later we could have milk. It's not like that. We are serving or guiding our customers and our partners as a baby. So we help them learn how to crawl, we help them learn how to walk until they get to be independent in doing their own Atomy business, right? It's just like our big babies. And also, we have to understand that Atomy has an absolute quality and absolute price product. We always reiterate this every meeting that no matter which rank of the society you are, you can access our products. We can enjoy a good quality products of Atomy. Now, when you meet a new prospect, don't launch into a pitch. So start by understanding them. Use friendly conversation. This builds rapport and lets you tailor your message instead of using a generic script. So, first is we have to ask open questions. So, what are they looking for? What challenges do they have? Maybe you've heard a lot about, okay, I'm having some pimples, I have some dry skin, and we have to first listen more than the talk. So let them first share their story and match Atomy products and values to their real life needs. For example, if someone says, "Okay, I have some pimples, I have very dry skin," you could recommend, for example, some products like Dermaril Cica Gel Cleanser or Evening Care 4 Set, Dermaril Cica Set, so on and so forth. So depending on what your customer is needing as of this time. Now, share your experience and use case. People buy from people. When you share your real story, why you choose Atomy, what difference it made, you become relatable. This is more effective than high pressure selling. Yeah, if we do how do you say there is a term for heavy selling, like push selling. I don't know, I forgot. Miss Neva, can you help me? Or how do you call this if you're selling very hard? Hard selling. Yeah, hard selling. Yes. Yeah, sometimes it works. Hard selling works, but only once. The next time you approach the same person, they will not even bother to talk to you, right? So what do you want? Do it on the Atomy way, or you want to have the sales right away through hard selling, I would still choose it the Atomy way. So be genuine and transparent. Share how you personally use Atomy products or know someone who does. Show concrete benefits, quality, price, results, rather than hype. When I was beginning my Atomy business, I was really so much with hype. You know what? You could achieve glass skin and really, I don't want to see this part of me before, like, and avoid exaggeration. Be honest about what product can do, keeping within Atomy's ethics. I remember, hey, I just remember now. I I was a presenter on the one-day seminar. I think it was one of the biggest one-day seminar when Atomy Europe was starting. It was so funny. They asked me to present the protein treatments and protein shampoo. And I said on the stage, look at my hair. It's so silky. It's so good. So I was so exaggerated and I don't want to see that video anymore. But it really works. I mean, I'm using the Atomy treatments, but the way I showed it, the way I presented it doesn't seem to be so true. So it's really exaggerated. So avoid doing that. Now, present the value proposition, products plus opportunity. Encourage your team to adapt to this message or encourage yourself to adapt to this message own voice and relationship with the customer. So highlights Atomy's product philosophy, top quality at reasonable price. We already all know that. Explain that the opportunity is optional. First, become a satisfied user or customer. Then, if they're interested, you can show the business side. So again, I'm telling you about my experience. Before, I look at the people like, oh, you have to do the business. You know, you will earn this, you will earn 90,000 euros, you will earn 10,000 euros per month. But that was wrong. The moment I realized that this is the correct way on how to do Atomy, first let them try the products, let them love the products, even if on the very first day they don't want to register. The moment that they love the products, they will actually ask you and approach you, how can I register to buy my own products? And we have to understand that if our customers doesn't want to be a business partner, that's okay. We can also explain them even if they change their account to distributor, they don't necessarily need to do the business. They could actually earn just by using their own products by themselves and by their families. And once this is really proven, once they see their first commission just by them using the products, they will be interested to know more about the business opportunity of Atomy. And focus first on helping them as a consumer, then on growth if they choose to grow with you and your team. Very important. Next one, address objections and build trust. When someone expresses concern, don't dismiss it. Invite them to talk through it, share your own experience, provide credible information, and show that you're there to help, not to push them away. So here are some examples of objections that we are hearing all the time. It's too expensive. Show quality and long-term service. I don't want to join another MLM. So emphasize free membership in many regions and no forced purchases. How do I know this will work for me? Offer first to try a product. Invite to information session like one day seminar or some open days, center wellness days, and show them the results. Plus, let them hear testimonials from other people who already had tried the product. And just tips, be transparent about terms, policies, and expectation. So do not hype your customers like, oh, I have a pimple. Oh, next week your pimple will be gone. Do not hype your customer, I'm telling you, because every skin is different. Follow up and support. The sale isn't the end, remember. the relationship continues. Your support and responsiveness will determine if they stay engaged, become a loyal customer, and possibly grow with you. After first meeting, send a thank you message, link to useful information, product details, or demonstrations. Ensure they're happy with their first purchase and know how to use it. If they show interest in the business side, provide training, mentor support, encourage education, and Atomy emphasizes education and sharing. So just a tip, if you have an Excel file, please make a list of all your customers. When did they purchase? What did they purchase? What was their experience, their feedback? Ask them what potential products would they want to use later on after using their first purchase. Okay, so this will really help. And best practices, do's and don'ts. These best practices help you act in line with Atomy's culture and ethics. They ensure long-term success rather than quick but unstable gains. So present the value genuinely, be consistent in your message, build personal brand reliability and authenticity. Use tools training by provided by Atomy. Don't use exaggerated claims or hype. Do not put pressure on someone to join. Again, this is free membership and they have the decision whether or not they want to register. And do not focus only on recruitment without product value. So that's also a common mistake. Some people thought if they register a lot, 50 people in one day, they will already earn in Atomy. No, no, no. We don't earn with registration. We earn when people loves the product, buys the product directly online. Setting goals and tracking progress. We're almost done, don't worry. Approaching new customers becomes easier when you treat it like a process. I always reiterate it. I myself have been learning also to go through the process. It was not easy for me because I like everything fast, 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 right? The more consistently you do it, the more natural it will feel. So just create a habit for yourself. And later on, in the next 2 to 3 years, you will already see like, oh, wow, because of my habit, I'm already earning from Atomy. Because it will be better for your results. So set realistic goals. Number of new contacts per weeks, follow-ups, product trials. Keep a simple tracking sheet, name, contact, need, next step or status. Celebrate small wins. If your customer has first purchase, first positive feedback, and review what worked and refine your approach. In Atomy, we really have to try a lot of options. We will not settle in only one options. We have to try what is working for us. For example, if something works for me but not for Loredana, then Loredana has to change or refine her approach. So vice versa. If it works for her, doesn't work for me, then I have to change or refine my approach so that I could find something that could actually work. So to wrap up and key takeaways, approach with service mindset, help first, sell second. Understand the person's need, share genuinely. Value proposition, quality products plus optional business opportunity. Trust through transparency, follow up, support. Be consistent, track progress, and of course, lastly, is to keep improving. So if you go out with just one message, the Atomy Way is about building relationships, serving customers, and growing together, not pushing a sale. So if you have any questions right now, I am really happy to answer.